going on, everybody? Welcome back to Watch the Matter with me. My name is Jesus, and today we're going to be checking out part of my watch collection. These is actually 3 of my Timexes. So this is my Timex collection essentially, and let's get started. Here are my 3 pieces. I got a chronograph, regular watch, and actually a perpetual calendar here. Those are the complications. We're going to get started with this is my Timex 1979 reissue. This is a stainless steel watch that's 38 millimeter with a Pepsi dial. Let's see. This little watch is honestly so much fun. It's so good looking. Let's center that. I typically wear it for some reason during summer a lot. I'm sorry, not summer, during winter a lot. For what reason? I don't even know. I really enjoy it during winter with the clothes that I wear. Here it is. This bracelet could be a little bit annoying to some people. Some people will not like this bracelet. It might pull your hair. In my experience, it's been pretty good. Doesn't really pull my hair. Every once in a while it does. But I really like this watch. I actually got it for like $60 on eBay, brand new. You can't go wrong with this Timex reissue. It's just a great looking little watch. But this is my first Timex, and as you can see, it was not my last. Now let's go on to my next one. Here it is. This is my Timex Q Chronograph and with a stainless steel bracelet. This is a 40 millimeter watch. There you go, look at that. Also comes with a date complication, and it's inspired by the 1970s Q Timex chronograph as well. There it is. This is this watch here, it's just a good looking watch. Every single time I wear it, you look down on it. I mean, it has that Daytona vibe. You definitely feel it when you wear it. It looks so good. Let me turn on the chronograph for you. There it is. So as you can see here, the chronograph has a 60-minute timer. That's it right there. Hit it, come back. Another really cool watch. I really like this watch. Also, bang for the buck. I actually got this one used on the marketplace for $100. And it's it's a good little watch. I don't know if it's gonna make the collection long term, but for sure it's a nice watch, and I do love it and enjoy it every single time I wear it. Now let's go to the last piece. This watch was actually featured a couple days ago on one of my other videos, and it's a Timex Expedition. I couldn't really find out a lot of information on this watch. Really, the only thing I found out is that it's probably like from 2007. It's a 39 millimeter, and it had a 2016 battery. That's it right there. It was actually given to me by my father-in-law. He found it at a yard sale, and he knows I like watches, and the old man gave it to me, which I thought was really cool. And I put it on this Anti-Fit nylon strap from Amazon, but still a really cool little watch. I've been wearing it to do yard work and so on and so forth. I like it, and I appreciate the gift from my father-in-law. Before I let you guys go, this was the box for my 1979 reissue. That it there. There you can see reissue, 40 years in the making. Pretty cool stuff. Movement made in Japan. Band made in China. That was for this guy here. Came like that. This was the box for the Q Chronograph. Movement made in Japan, band made in China. As you can see, got the extra links and a little booklet. But I mean, let me know in the comment section if you have a Timex or what Timex you recommend. I personally love Timex. I think it's a great brand. I think it's an affordable brand. It's a good way to get into this hobby of watch collecting. I'm gonna do some wrist shots, some nice wrist shots here. I want to wear this one today to work, so there it is. And thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.
So there you have it, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Like and subscribe. Peace. Till next time.